Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of cluster analysis in data mining. Cluster analysis is a powerful technique that helps you discover hidden patterns and insights from your data. In this video, we'll explore what cluster analysis is, its importance, and how to perform it using RStudio. So, let's get started. Cluster analysis is a data analysis method that groups similar objects based on specific criteria. For example, you can cluster customers based on their demographics, preferences, or behavior. The goal is to identify meaningful and homogeneous groups of objects that share common characteristics. It's also known as clustering or cluster mining, a popular technique for extracting useful information from large and complex datasets. Cluster analysis has various applications, making it incredibly useful for data mining. It can help you with tasks such as exploratory data analysis, data reduction, data segmentation, and data modeling. Whether you want to understand the structure of your data, simplify visualizations, target different groups with tailored strategies, or make predictions, cluster analysis has got you covered. So, how does cluster analysis work? It involves applying a clustering algorithm to your data, which assigns objects to clusters based on certain rules. There are three main types of clustering algorithms: partitioning, hierarchical, and density-based. Each type has its strengths and is suitable for different datasets and objectives. Now, how do you choose the right clustering algorithm? Well, it depends on factors like the shape and size of clusters, the number of clusters you want, algorithm efficiency, and the availability of validity measures. Each algorithm has its trade-offs, so consider your data and goals carefully. If you're wondering how to perform cluster analysis in RStudio, we've got you covered. Here are some simple steps to follow. 1. Load your data into RStudio using read.csv or read.table. 2. Pre-process your data if needed, clean, transform, or normalize it. 3. Choose a clustering algorithm from available packages like cluster or discount. 4. Apply the algorithm to your data using functions like means, clust, or discount. 5. Visualize and interpret the results to gain insights. That's it. You now have a basic understanding of cluster analysis in data mining and how to use RStudio for it. Cluster analysis is a powerful tool to explore your data, find patterns, and make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on data analysis, RStudio tutorials, and much more. Thank you for watching, and happy data mining! If you have any questions or need assistance with data analysis, feel free to contact us or join our community for more support. Until next time, take care, and keep exploring the world of data.